those debris on the beach side. Oh God, that's the work today.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This video is a short video about our ICC 2021 beach cleanup. It just was a good day. We could see our efforts when we are finished. The garbage that we have collected, guys, try to be more careful. Try to take your garbage with you when you go to the beach. Don't leave it behind because someone else coming to use that beach, and it's not a good sight to see the rubbish on the beach. I'm begging you, please. So we did have a good time. So take a look at what we collected. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in our next video. Bye.